Welcome to Condat Solutions. In this tutorial video, we'll guide you through the seamless integration of the StudyLink plugin, which simplifies the application submission and management process. StudyLink offers an effortless and efficient solution for agents and recruitment partners to submit and manage student applications to multiple education providers through a single portal and login. If you are a new admin, please log into your admin account. From the main navigation, select the Plugin Manager and view all available plugins. You will be directed to a page featuring various plugins that may be beneficial for your business. Locate the StudyLink plugin, click on it to install, and then select Learn How to Set Up. This will provide you with a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for StudyLink and integrate it with the Condat CRM. Now let's get into setting up with a StudyLink with Condat. To begin, click on the provided Sign Up with StudyLink button. This will direct you to the StudyLink page where you will be prompted to create an account. You will be presented with a registration form. You must fill in all the required details including your agency name, your full name, email address, contact number, and the complete address of your agency. After ensuring all information is accurate, then submit the form. After your registration is complete, reach out to the StudyLink team and request a token. The token is important for linking your StudyLink account to the Condat system. Once you receive the token, navigate to your Condat CRM and locate the StudyLink integration section and paste the token into the designated field. This will activate the connection between two platforms. Now that the integration is done, you'll find StudyLink listed under the Service Manager. From there, go to the Settings section, select the StudyLink branch and assign access to appropriate branch or team within your agency. You can also generate a list of applications by sorting out via branch applicant, institutions, course, or status using advanced search. To bring institution and universities list into Condat from StudyLink, head over to the Partner List menu, then click on Institutes. Here you'll find the option to import institutes. Select the relevant institution to import and they will be added to your CRM automatically. Now that institutes are added, let's also add an application with StudyLink. First, let's go to the Study in Australia and pick a student to apply via StudyLink. Scroll to the right and press the dots. Click on Apply for StudyLink application. You will be led to the page where you will be filling up the form for the application details for academic, work, and English proficiency test information. Once you fill in all the details, press Submit, and that's how easy it is to apply for StudyLink application. Your application should now be visible under the StudyLink application list. And that's it. Your StudyLink integration is now complete. You can begin managing institutions and applications directly through Condat for a smoother operation in your workflow.